55% of communication is your body. What does that mean? Your expression, your posture, your gesture, eye contact, breathing. People will believe your body message rather than the voice tone and lalong-lalo na sa words na sinabi mo. O tingnan natin. Ang word natin, OH. Can you read? O ito yung action. Ganun lang ako, sabi ng iba, Did the message change? Yes. So, sometimes, communication gap happens when lahat ito hindi nag-align. Sabi ng person, ba't ka galit? Hindi ako galit! Nagugulat lang. So, notice, it's very simple, but we have to be mindful. What's the word? Mindful. Am I projecting what I want to project? So, communication is not just words, but it's also your voice quality. It's also your body. Anong goal mo? To be able to have what we call congruency. What's the word? Congruency.